Ladies, hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion virgin here. You must use your emotional power to manifest your dreams. Listen, please. I've trained thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people around the world, women very specifically, because women have a gift. And that gift is not just that pretty face of yours. The gift that you have is you can use your emotions with your thoughts to manifest whatever you want. Now listen, it took me a very long time to understand the power of taking a thought that was in my mind and making it real. What if I told you, young lady, that you can say a script? If you believe in affirmations, stay here. If you don't, leave. If you can take words that you can use tonight, using your emotional power that I'm going to teach you in the link below, that would allow you to manifest whatever you want. A man, a loyal man. Can I get an amen? Money, more money than you can ever spend. Okay? Places around the world, real estate, whatever you want by using these words. Now, I understand that some of you may be skeptical and some of you might think, but what if this is it? What if this is the thing that I've been waiting for? All I want you to do is try it. No need to buy nothing at all. All I want you to do is have an open mind, using your emotional power, okay? Saying 20 words that I'm going to give you on the next page. And you let me know if you're able and you finally are aware that everything that you want is right in front of you. Much love. I'll see you on the next page. Let's